What up, everybody, and welcome back. Right now, we are at USH campus, the home of the Panthers, because today marks their 100th year anniversary. That is so cool because I used to come here. So for the occasion, Madame Jean-Baptiste, my old principal, hit me up and she says, "Hey, Olivier." I was like, "What's up, Madame Jean-Baptiste?" She was like, "Yeah, I need you to come film because February 1st is gonna mark the 100th year anniversary of the school." I was like, "Oh, it's death. You better count on me. I'm gonna be there." You know what I mean? So we're gonna go meet up with the staff and prep. Came with the drone. We got the camera ready. Let's get the day started, guys. This place brings a lot of memory. I actually broke my leg here. On this field, I had to wear a cast from like right here all the way to my right here, man, for like 3 months. We are preparing the lettering. We're gonna have students fill these up. Yo, so right now, guys, come on, guys. Guys, whoever catches it needs to come towards the camera and celebrate. You ready? All right.
Incomplete.
All right, guys, let's do this. Oh! You let's go!
Good afternoon, everyone. I invite everyone to take a seat to thank the Centennial Committee for all the hard work that they've been doing to put the programs together and to continue the different activities.
So the house is full of alumni. Guess what? One of the alumni is here with me, and it's BIBI.
We're gonna get kicked out of school again today. Happy birthday, Panthers! 100 years. So we have something fun to do, but before that, I want to say, 100 years is a long time. A lot of different generations coming through. Some things don't change, like Soso's hair color. She didn't have white hair then. She doesn't have white hair now. Once a Panther,
Always a Panther. You go down low, all the way to the floor. How low can you go? Can you bring it to the top? You were an alumni, right?
Yes, I
Yo, so tell them, what was your most memorable souvenir de Union School?
So many.
I went from English to French on that one.